G'day, this is Red Shenrock, and today I got this axe, and it is pathetic. Basically, what they give you for a safe device is this stupid little piece of plastic, and this so-called material to protect you, okay? I'll show you why this is so unsafe. Okay. What you can't see is basically when that applies down any pressure in your pocket or anything, is that it cuts straight through it. That's beside the point. Look what happened when I put it on. It literally ripped part of the so-called safety protection blade sort of thing. I'm going to have to find someone to make a proper one of this. At the moment, I say this a dead no. Don't get it. Unless they're going to update the safety device. You can try to make one your own self, but besides that, that's dangerous. That's part of this so-called safety device. This little piece of rubber. Okay? It's pathetic and so unsafe. And this so-called pouch for the axe. And you can see that rip right apart and you can't even use it. But getting back to the point of the other good parts of it, okay? The axe works fine. Turn on sideways. Okay, that works fine. Okay, now the next part I'm going to be very careful with. I'll do this part first. Is the flint. Okay, you push it up with your thumb. You take it out. Now your flint starters is, I think it is this knife. Yeah, that is your flint starter. Now, when you use a flint, here's the number one rule. You need to scrape up all that black stuff on the flint. Until you get a shiny, silvery side. If it's like that, all black, it won't work. Okay? And I'm not going to go about using it because I don't know how to use a flint. I know how to make it spark. Okay? Let me see. I'm trying to find the camera. See? There's the spark. But I just don't know how to use it myself. I can get it sparking, but I never can get anything to write with. And if you haven't got the stuff ripped off, it goes like this. It won't even spark. Until you lift all that stuff off it. There is. Okay. That's how you need to get it all off. Next up is the whistle. Make sure that is facing downwards when you use the whistle, okay? And blow it softly. Alright? Here. Next up is the knife. I'll leave the flint out because I'll use that later on. Okay, that's it. Ouch! I touched the axe. That is the knife. Okay, I'm moving my leg out the way. It works fine. Okay, next part. is suppliers, what is still dangerous without that covering. They're the pliers. Then you put them back in that way. Excuse my hand, so I can't do any angle. Be careful you don't catch yourself. That is another downfall. But be very careful you don't catch yourself or cut yourself on the axe, because the so-called safety device, what these two pieces, I don't know in front of the camera, are these two. Rubber and some kind of material. What everyone knows that can eventually cut through. But getting back to what I was saying, I'm probably going to say about the safety quite a few times so they can get through their head to update it. So they made this axe, multi-axe. Now, with this part here, you see that part there, okay? I use the flint to get that out because my fingers are way too big. And I don't know whose fingers can actually fit in there. You push it down and out pop the screwdriver. Okay? And basically you pop one of these screws out this way. Okay, you take it out and pull that way towards the hammer, and it goes into the flat side of the axe and hammer, right in, or one I would say, dead center of it. I don't think the screw at all, but I'll see what their man said can do about that safety hazard. They might make something that make a lot more safety, because that is dangerous, is to have that. Because basically, that is rip. Get off, you damn cooking bug. And that, sorry about the screen turning green for some reason. And that is basically rubber. I can even bend that. And that's not going to protect you. Because look at this. Already when I take out the packet today, look. You can see my thumb going straight through that. That's from the blade. That's how unsafe it is. So that is the first complaint I have that bit. All the rest is A-OK. And it will be a little bit rigid to get the blades there if you go and buy this and go against my advice. Okay, but my advice is not to buy this until they update that little safety device. If they just replace that with metal, it'll be fine. But rubber, you're going to cut straight through it. Come on, Amazon. Whoever made this need to get a brain. It costs $40. The least they can actually include something what will protect you, not cause you to almost cut your hand open like I did. I don't know if you can see that, but they've got a cut on it. Just testing out that. Right down there, the cut is. But that is it. I'm definitely giving this if I could give this a 0 star, I would. But the lowest you can get is 1. So getting a 1. And I wonder if they would allow me to post a 1. Because it is pathetic. This is Red Shenron signing off.